Hello, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Bliss. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create simple birthday flyer in Photoshop. So just follow along and you'll get this right here. So the first thing we will do is to create a new document with dimension of 800 by 800. Then we will maintain the resolution at 72. Then I'll click on create to create a new document. So from here, what I'm going to do right now here is to import a texture. So I'll import this texture. Then I'll make sure it fits my document size. Go to shapes and create a polygonal shape with a size of 6. So 6 different sizes is called hexagon. If you know your math right, you will understand this. So I will create this hexagonal shape right here. So you will have something like this. Now from here, I'm going to transform this shape and rotate it clockwise. You can do it counterclockwise so that we have it in this way. Okay. So now from here, I'll make a copy of that shape by pressing Ctrl J. Then I'll make sure they are aligned. So let me go to layers and I will hold the shift key and select the other one. Then I'll click on this alignment and align them horizontally. So now from here, I'm going to make another copy by pressing Ctrl J. Then I'll drag it this way. So from there, you can make another copy. Okay. So let's create another copy and drag it here. So from there, what we're going to do is just make sure they are aligned. Then I will select one of the layers. So let's select the uppermost layer and make a copy. So let me stretch this one. I'll select the uppermost layer, then I'll make a copy. I'll drag that one here like this. So from here, I will select this layer, hold the shift key and select this layer and convert them to a smart object. So after converting them to smart objects, I will select the uppermost layer and drag it up at this point like this so that we have something like this. Okay. So I'm just trying to position them well. Then I'll go in for my image. So I'm using this beautiful Jennifer's picture for my work. So I'll bring this picture, then I'll clip it inside the smart layer. So I just have to drag it to the smart layer. Then I'll create a clipping mask by pressing Ctrl Alt G. Then I'll clip inside this. Okay. So now I can go for the second image for Jennifer. So this is the second picture. Okay. Then I'm going to reduce the size of this image. Then from here, I'll make a copy of that. I'll explain to you the reason why I'm doing this. Okay, so just make a copy, then clip this one to the shape. So you clip this one, and the next one is we just have to go to select, then select subject and remove the background for the uppermost picture. So from here, you click on the mask layer to create a mask for it. Then we will select the down layer, then we will go to this side and go for brush and brush this particular side of the picture. Okay, we don't need that part. Let's go back again and then clean this area. Okay, so I'll clean this particular layer. Very good. So you just clip one side, then you remove the background of the other side, then you clean it so that you can create it. Okay, so I'll import the second image and convert that one to black and white as you have seen here. That's what I just did. Now what we are going to do right now is we need to add some shadows right here. So I would use this method. I've made several videos on this. You can check that one, how to create simple shadow effects. So I'm just adding this simple shadow effect. Okay, I'll create another one here as well. So reduce the opacity. Okay, Let us reduce the opacity for our shadows more so that it will be more realistic. Now from here, I guess we need to do something. We need to add our text. So I'll add the name of the person. I'm going to just select the uppermost layer, then I'll type right there. So I'll type Jennifer. That's her name, Jennifer. Then I'll select it and go to strategies and change the color to black like this. I'll change the size to somewhere 30. Okay, somewhere 30 is quite okay for me. Then I'll make a copy of Jennifer. Just position it, then I'll make a copy. Okay, so I'm making the copy. I'll type the surname. The surname is Enujiga. My Nigerians, you can help me with that. Jennifer Enujiga or something. Yeah, Enujiga. Okay, sorry. So what I'm going to do right now here is I will make sure that one is not bold like the name. Then I'll attach some element of design to this. Okay, so let's adjust the text more. Then I'll go here and attach some element of design. So I'll create this particular triangle. I've made a mistake here, so I'll go to this side and change the size from 25 to 20 so that it will not be curved. Then I'll rotate this, and the reason why I'm creating this effect is just to point to the fact that this is Jennifer. Okay, just an element of design to make your work look quite nicer. So from here, I'll reposition it, resize it again, and then I'll position it again like this. We are almost done. We have done almost 70% of the work. Let me 30, so stay with me. So what we are going to do right now here is make a copy again of Jennifer, the text here. So I'll make a copy and type happy. So the happy will be bold, then this one will be black. So birthday. So I'll increase the size for that. Okay, so happy birthday. So what I'm going to do right now is to sample a color from the clothing. So I will sample a color from a clothing. Okay, that's why I said always make sure your color matches with the pictures you use. So I will sample a color and change the text to that color. So we have happy birthday. Let's increase the size for the happy like this. Okay, so happy birthday. Nice. Now let us position the Jennifer more to this side. Okay, so the arrangement of your information too are very important whenever you're creating a birthday flyer as well. So I'll position this triangular shape, then I'll position the happy and the birthday too like this. So go for the rectangle, create this rectangular shape. Then from here, I'll go for the eyedropper too. Then I will sample some colors from the cloth. Okay, so I just sample the green color and the blue color from there. Then I'll make a copy of the rectangle shape I created. I will make another copy. Then I'm going to change the color to this so that we have these three colors right here. Then I will go for my birthday message. I'll copy that. Okay, then I'll come back to my Photoshop. I'll go to text and then create a paragraph text. So if you want to create a paragraph text, you click and drag to get something like this. Then I'll paste my text right here. Then I'm going to change the size from the current one to 12. No, not 10. I'll change it to 12. Then I'll rearrange my text, okay, like this. It's a simple birthday flyer, I guess you can create as a beginner. If you think maybe a certain part of the video you didn't capture it, you can just go back and play that area again. If you're still not getting it, you can just drop it in the comments, then I'll respond to it how I did them so that it will be very easy for you to go by. So I'm just going to add the date of birth to 8. So the date of birth is 20th. That is the date, I mean the date for the celebration of the birthday, and it actually goes with the date of birth, okay? So 20th November 2022, that is when we are going to celebrate this birthday. So this is just a simple birthday flyer for the person. I hope this video was very helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. My name is Felix Bliss. Bye bye.